Welcome guys, Greenball back again with another reaction video. Today we'll check out NSG Lupita. Someone told me to react to this video. I don't know if this is a UK artist or a Trinidadian artist or a dancehall artist, but when I listen to it I'm probably gonna get the idea. So we're gonna check this out and see what's going on. Yeah. Damn.
She break her waist like Lupita. I don't mind if you go a low part. Dark skin girl like Lupita. I'm in the
Ooh, you the man say, dark skin girl, I love me. The chocolate girl, them.
spaceship up like Jupiter. If I ever done you wrong, you deserve it. Baby girl, the loving you deserve it. I was drinking every day and it was worth
Lots of chocolate, bro.
I was drinking every day and it was baby, I'm a ceiling for me.
Sound like a Trini artist. Sound like a Trini artist.
Because I'm in a rover. Got a spliff, I call you need a lighter. No biting. Be careful, girl, I'm in the mood, I'm vibing. If you're with me, then you're winning, there's no doubting. She want me come my life so exciting.
Man, this girl's looking fine, bro.
Who's calling? Private caller. Don't answer. Still on side him. They just love typing. I don't like him. I walk up in the skanking. I be befriending. Only girl we style in my section. Only we knew how.
Yo! I forgot what I named the guy name. Look at the dancer dude. The way how he have the money sign in his head. And how he dive here. I forgot his name. Is that Richie something on that? The dancer, I think. I hope I'm right. Look like him.
Yeah. She break her waist like Lupita. I don't mind if you go a low part.
Wait, just back a look. Just back a look. Oh my god. Damn. This one is fine, bruh. Natural ear. Hopefully it is. But it can probably not natural ear. It look realistic. She look fine, bruh. She looking fine. Low and dark skins, bruh. Oh, it's not him. It's not him. It's actually a singer.
If I keep on shooting, I'll score. Oh, your insecurity secure.
My dude showing the boy be African queens.
Once you move your body for this show, only for the money I'll go. Only for the money I'll go. A side piece girl call me. I'm a mattress.
Funny enough, and I wonder what Lupita mean. No, Lupita. Probably means I'm gonna check it up. Check it what it mean when I'm finished watching the video. But I know it probably means something. Pull up my plane, plug checks for the cheaper. Tell her I says this shit isn't cheap now. She break her waist like Lupita. I don't mind if you go a low part. Dark skin girl like Lupita. In the spaceship I fly Jupiter. If I ever done you wrong, you deserve it. Baby girl, the loving you deserve it. Oh my god, I swear that wasn't the end of that show a while ago, bro. Honest to God, I swear.
Rise on this side, right on this. And she dislikes lies and flips. But the price like worse.
Oh, it's an old group. NSG is actually an old group. Oh, next one? What the hell?
That's a fast car. Feel my niggas in the jailhouse. You was trapping in that night, that trap house. She black like Evs, sexy like Eva. Kind of knows just like Dua Lipa.
Damn, yo. I'm not gonna say anymore, bro. I'm saying this girl looking good too.
I don't mind if you go a low part. Dark skin girl like Lupita. In the spaceship of like Jupiter. If I ever done you wrong, you deserve it. Baby girl, the loving you deserve it. I've been joking every day and it was worth it.
Ooh, baby. Oh. Ooh, baby. I know tonight. I don't know the song, but this sound like that rhythm. I don't remember who sing that song. But anyway, guys, this is the reaction video to NSG, which is a group I didn't know. I thought it was literally the one guy. Lupita. I'm gonna look up the meaning for Lupita. I don't know what that means, but probably a good meaning. So this is the reaction video. Peace out. Enough love.